Welcome to Playa Cas Abao, a beach nestled on the northwest coast of the beautiful Caribbean island of Curaçao. In this video, we'll be blending the breathtaking views from above, a stroll on the pristine sands, and a refreshing plunge in the clearest waters we've ever seen. The facilities here make it easy to kick back and enjoy. Think comfy beach chairs, umbrellas, and all the gear you need for water adventures. Snorkeling is a must with the vibrant coral reefs and marine life. Keep in mind there's a small entrance fee per car to support the ongoing efforts to preserve the beach. The access road to the beach is unpaved but easily manageable for all cars. There's also plenty of parking available. There's also a restaurant, restrooms, and changing rooms. Alright, let's have a look at this beautiful beach.
If you love to travel as much as we do, then join our community by hitting the subscribe button.